Hello, I'm Caleb, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Mexico City. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the atop tool and the atop SAR command to monitor historical resource usage, such as CPU, memory, and disk I/O for processes that are running on your Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Linux instance. Let's get started. For the purpose of this video, I have already installed the atop tool. For more information on how to install the tool, please see the link in the video description. Before you modify your operating system, it's a best practice to create an Amazon Elastic Block Store snapshot on your instance's root volume so that you have a backup in case of a failure. Now, let me show you how to use the atop tool. After you install atop, the tool runs as a background service and logs data to files in the var log atop directory. The log file's name uses the date format that you see on the screen. For example, atop 2025-04-13 contains the logs for April 13, 2025. By default, atop stores multiple days of data within a single log file. To access and view the historical log file, run. The log shows resource usage snapshots over time in 10-minute intervals. To view the next snapshot, press the lowercase t key on your keyboard. To return to a previous snapshot, press Shift-T. To see snapshots for a specific date and time, press the lowercase b key and then enter the date and time. You then see a snapshot that's within 10 minutes on the time that you enter. For example, if you input 2025-04-14 at 05:30, then you'll see a snapshot for April 14, 2025 at 05:37. You can use the B and E flags to extract logs for a specific period of time. For example, run this command. Use the B flag for the start time and the E flag for the end time. The output shows memory usage between 4:50 a.m. and 5:20 a.m. on April 13th. When you're viewing logs, you can press M for memory details, D for disk usage, N for network statistics, and C to see the full command line. To sort the process list, press Shift-C for CPU, Shift-M for memory, Shift-D for disk, and so on. In addition to the atop log viewer, you can run the atop SAR command to generate custom reports on system activity and resource usage over time. For example, to see current CPU utilization, run this command. The output shows two snapshots of CPU usage that are 1 second apart. To generate reports across a specific time period, use the B and E flags, again for the start and end times, along with the other flags such as A for reports, C for CPU, P for processes and load stats, and capital P for processes and threads counts. For example, this command generates all available reports between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. on April 13, 2025. To retrieve multiple outputs, you can combine the flags for atop SAR into a single command. For example, this command queries CPU utilization, process load, and processes and threads between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. on April 13, 2025. To learn more about the atop tool, see the links on the video description. So now you know how to use the atop tool and atop SAR command to monitor historical resource usage for processes that are running on your EC2 Linux instance. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.